Hello everyone, good day to all. I welcome all my dear kids to today's online live classes. I am Pushpashri, faculty of Button Tutorials, and I'll be handling mathematics for you. My dear kids, in the last session we were discussing about the chapter of square and square root, and we had started with an exercise part, and we have solved some of the exercise over there. And in today's session, I'll be continuing the same chapter. So if you people have missed the last session, please go through the link and watch the previous class videos. My dear kids, come let's move on to today's session. So today also we'll be solving about same chapter. So you can copy the questions now. So the question is, observe the following pattern. Observe, and this is your first question, okay? Observe the following. Observe the following pattern. Observe the following pattern and supply the missing numbers. And supply the missing numbers. So this is your question. So along with that, you have some more questions. What are those missing figures? So it seems similar for the problem which we have solved in the last session, but compared to that problem, so there is one or two numbers are different, but still it is there in the exercise part that is in your textbook. So that's the reason I'm going on with this. Fine. So 11 square is equal to 121. 101 square is equal to 10201. 10101 square is equal to 102030201, and again 1231 square is equal to dash, and dash square is equal to 1020304050, again 4030201. So this is your question. It seems similar to that. So there we had 10,001, here we have 10,101, and this number is also different. So this just and little bit changes, but compared to yesterday's class, this is also the same. Okay. So in the same way, whether you can do the square or you can use the logic and you can solve this particular problem. Okay, so 101 square is equal to 100201, 11 square is equal to 121, 10,101 square is equal to 1020300201, and here 101010. See here, you have only 110. Just think, okay? So here you have only 110, here you have two tens, here you have three tens. That means here it will be four tens. 4 tens in the last one. Correct. See, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. See, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. The last one is constant. So this is how you can do this. And here also. So it ends at 20, ends at 30, and here ends at 50. But here the missing going to end at 40. 30, 40. Again, after 40, what you will be writing over here? 40, 30, 201. Got this? See here. So it ends at 20 over here. Here it's going to end at 30. Here it's going to end at 40. Here it's going to end at 50. So this is what the logic one you can use it. So now you can copy down this. Copy down. Copy down each and every part because it is very much important for you. Okay students, well, hope you all copied down this. Now I'll just move on to the next part, that is your sixth question. We'll just move on to the sixth question now. So the question number 6. Question number 6. Using the given pattern, using the given pattern, using the given pattern, find the missing numbers. Find the missing numbers. So this is your question. In your question, what they are telling, they had given you one pattern. In that pattern, which are the missing numbers people need to find. So let's see to the pattern now. 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square is equal to 3 square. Okay. Next, 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square is equal to 7 square. Okay. Again, 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. Next, 4 square plus 5 square plus dash square is equal to 21 square. Next, 5 square plus dash square plus 30 square is equal to 31 square. Next, 6 square plus 7 square plus dash square is equal to dash square. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 missing numbers. With these 4 missing numbers, you have to find the solution. Copy down the question. Fine. Hope you all copied the question. So now students, observe the pattern. There is a stripe to solve the question, and there is one trick also to solve this particular solution. Let us know how to solve, then we will move on to the tricks. See here, you have 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square, which gives you 3 square. So before going to that, what is 1 square? That is 1. So come to the next number, that is 2 square. So what is 2 square? 2 2s are, it is 4. So next, what you have 2 square? What is 2 2s are? It is 4. So when you add these 3 numbers, 2 square and 1 square. So you will get this. First, if you solve the square, you will get this numbers. So when you add the numbers, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, it is 9. And this 9 is nothing but 3 square. Okay. So this 9 is nothing but 3 square. In the same way, so see here, 2 square, that is 2 2s are, it is 4 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 4 40, 40 plus 9 49. Where 7 7s are, it is 49. Got this? In the same way here also. In the same way here also. But if you add which number, you will get this number. That is the question. See to that now. Okay. So there it is 4 square. That is 16. So 4 square is equal to 16. 5 square is equal to 25, and which gives you 21 square. So what is 21 square now? 21 into 21. 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 1 4 4. So 441 it should be. But if you add which number over here, you will get the remaining number. See here, 25 plus 16. So if you had 25 plus 16, 11, 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 41. So still you want 400. To get 400, see here, now you got 41, right? By adding these two, you got 41. So 441 minus 41, which gives you 400. 400 is the square of what? 20, correct? So here your answer will be 20. 20 is your answer. Got this? In the same way, this also. So how to do that now? Same way you can do. See, 31 into 31. First solve what 31 into 31. 1 ones are 1, 1 threes are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. 1 3 plus 3, 5 6 3, 4 5 6, 9 16 1. Okay. So 961. 5 5s are it is 25. 30 into 30. So 30 into 30. 30 zeros are 0, 33 are it is 900. So now 900. 900 and here it is missing figure, right? So I will put it as X. So 900 plus 25, 925. 925 minus 961 minus 925. So here it will be 511. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here it will be remaining 6. 5 minus 2 it is 3 and 36 is the missing figure. So 36 is the square root of 6. Got this? 6. So here 6 plus 7 is equal to how much and it is equal to how much? So they are asking. So in this always we can find out, but here during this case we usually do the logics. So what will be the next digit? You have to find out. So for the last number I'll be using the trick. You can follow that. Okay. See here the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and here the numbers are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and here numbers are 2, 6, 12, 20, 30. And what will be the next number you have to find out? So 2 as it is you are going to take 2 threes are 6, 4 threes are 12, 4 fives are 20, 5 6 are 30, 7 6 are 42. Got the see here? 2 threes are 6, 3 fours are 12, 5 fours are 20, 5 6 are 30, 7 6 are 42. So ma'am, you got this, that one, what about this one then? You might ask. So for that also you can use that logic. Ma'am, what kind of logic? I'll just let you know. You can copy down this till then. Come on, copy down this fast. Okay, so wait, I'll just tell you the trick and then you can. So here it is 2, here it is 3, 6, 7, 12, 13, 20, 21, 30, 31, 42, 43. And if you want, you can solve, we will get the same answer only. Okay. See, once again, I'll just explain you. 1 square, 2 square, 2 square, which is equal to 3 square. 2 square, 3 square, 6 square, which is equal to 7 square. 3 square, 4 square, 12 square, which is equal to 13 square. 4 square, 5 square, they haven't given you this and they have given you 21 square. So 5 square plus 6 square plus 30 square is equal to 31 square. And this one number is also not given. And here this number and this number is not given. So if you want to use the logic, the way to use the logic is see the numbers here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and see to the next numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and see to the next number 2 as it is first number as it is you will take 2 3s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20, 5 6 are 30, 6 7s are 42. And the next is after 2 it is 3, 6, 7, 12, 13, 20, 21, 30, 31, 42, 43. This is how you can use and you can solve the problem. The other way is you just write the hint just because of your understanding. Hint, I'll be writing the hint over here. See, that is 1 square is equal to 1. Okay. 2 square is equal to 4. Again 2 square is equal to 4, which is equal to 9, which is equal to 3 square. And for each and every question, start writing this hint. Okay, you have to write first this question and first this line, and then under that you have to write this. Fine. And again for this you have to frame a same kind of hints. Okay, do it now only. And for this also, for this and even this. And for the logic thing, you can write over there in a pencils or whatever, like whatever I have said. Fine. So now you people can copy down this, copy down,